Hi everyone. So today's video is going to be dedicated to my sister because she is pregnant and she's going to be having her baby sometime in December. And what I wanted to do is I want to make her a maternity sash. And I went ahead and went into the things that I already have in my craft supplies. Excuse me. I know her boss is organizing a baby shower for her at work, so I thought she could wear this for that occasion. Hey guys, so I'm back. This is what the A turned out to look like. I really like the way it turned out. I had to tweak it a little bit. I had to take some off and put them closer and stuff, but this is what came out of that. And then I made these little flowers here. And what you do with that, it's just 6 inches of ribbon. And where's my lighter? I sealed the edges. And then what you're gonna do, just in and out the whole way through. Just like that. And we're watching Dora in the background. And then, you see, I'm just going to put this through the bottom of the first little slot there. Just going to pull together till it's tight. Come back around. And I'm going to seal this. I'm going to put this, I was thinking something like this, and then like that. And these on the edge like that. And I had to cut off a piece of it. So this is, let me see if I could zoom out real quick. No, that's about it. This is like the whole length of the page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work from the center of it here. I'm going to start working here in the middle. I already glued 2 of these flowers to my felt. So let's see how I want to put this together. I know I want this as a center. And then I also have these flowers here. Not sure how I want to go about putting these. And these I made beforehand, so. And these as well. Let's see. Okay, let's do this side first. Flowers, which I made with a 6-inch ribbon. And I like this one for right here. Go back. I started filming this like 3 days ago and it barely got around to putting it together. Put this right here. Put it right there. I'll put one of these. So here's the final product of this little project that I've been working on these past couple of videos. This is how it turned out, and I really like it. So the only thing that I added after the last video that I posted was this lace here at the bottom, which I had put up here, and I added to the bottom as well. I added this little flower, the gray one, and I added that sequence you see in between, right there. And I put those 2 there, just because it looked like there was like gaps. And if you see in the back, I just trimmed out the felt to where I could fold it, and I glued the ribbon in the middle. What I was going to get some lace for this part, but I had this grosgrain ribbon, so I tried to use what I had in existence, so I didn't purchase anything. Everything that I used, I already had. So I really hope my sister likes this, and I was going to post a video of how I did this letter, but that didn't work out, so it's pretty much just a felt. I cut out a felt A free-handed. You can use you don't have to freehand it, but I did it freehand. And then I put this lace around the back of it, and then I just put all this sequence on it. And I chose to put that letter A because her baby is his name is gonna be with an A, so I thought that would be a nice touch. And yeah, that's it. Didn't take me that long. I mean, it took me longer to find time to do it than what it actually did to put it together. And then I have a video up on how to do this flower. And in the other videos you could see how to do this little flower. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I hope this serves as some inspiration if you're looking to making a maternity sash for yourself or for someone else. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!